Hey, we're doing some Cabernet Sauvignon Part 2. Hey, welcome back to Drinking It In. I'm your host, Chris Casara. We are here to help you know more and drink better. On this episode, we're doing a little bit more of a deep dive into Cabernet Sauvignon. We did the Wine Basics video, which we'll link up here. And I figured it'd be good to pull out a couple of other examples of Cabernets, both from Napa, and just give them a taste, compare and contrast. We've got some different vintages, different producers, and both of these being pretty accessible and good values, right? They're not you don't need $120 to buy any of these bottles, so that's exciting. So the Terra Valentine here is 2013, and this Pride Mountain is a 2014. So pretty close in vintage. This one is all Napa Valley fruit, and this is Napa Valley and Sonoma Valley blend. So let's see what we get, see how they differ, and again, just learn a little more about Cabernet and what it smells like, what it tastes like, and why it's so delicious. It is the Terra Valentine. Again, Terra Valentine, 2013, Napa Valley Cabernet Sauvignon. I had a couple of wines from these guys over the years, always dark and delicious. This is, I think, one of their sort of entry-level Cabernets. It does come across with that traditional Napa Valley nose, which if you drank enough Napa Valley Cabernets, you know what I'm talking about. There's a little bit of a green pepper note that I'm getting here. Green pepper, black olives, and lots of dark fruit. So this wine is chewy. It's heavy. It's big. It's nice. You get a little bit of that oaky vanilla goodness coming in at the end, and actually the fruit is pretty lively on the finish. But I think it all kind of comes across as just one big note. So it's not really evolving as much as I would have liked. Give it another taste. It's really well balanced, though. It's a good wine. It's just I was kind of expecting a little bit more. I was expecting to be wowed a little more. Good effort, not fantastic. We're going to switch over here to Pride Mountain Vineyards. I'm going to give this a little rinse so there's not too much Terra Valentine left in there. So Pride, we actually visited these guys when we were in Napa a few years ago. Really great place to do a tour and tasting. They took, I feel like they paid attention to you. They weren't just interested in getting you in and moving you out, moving you through the whole tasting, and so that was really nice. And this is their Cabernet Sauvignon. It is 59% Napa County and 41% Sonoma County. These guys, they're situated, at the top of a mountain, and the property it straddles both counties, right? So it's on the Napa-Sonoma County line, so that's why they have fruit from different counties. Let's see what this guy brings to us. Oh, now this is pretty. This is dark fruit, baking spices. It's nice. None of those green notes that we got in this one, and it's just it smells richer. Let's give it a taste. All right, so this guy, this is a winner. It's big, it's luscious, it's loaded with fruit. A lot of those baking spices and nutmeg notes and almost a little brown sugar come through as it evolves. It keeps going. There's a lot going on in this wine. So this one, so if I had to pick and choose, I'm gonna go with this Pride Mountain Cabernet. Again, 2014, 2013. I should check my vintage charts before I do these videos just to see if there's anything significant. But I feel like every vintage lately, especially in Napa, has been of a really good quality. So I don't think there's a lot of vintage variation here. I just think maybe it's just the fruit growing on the high in the mountain, wins out. This one's kind of sourced from vineyards in the mountains, so this wine's just better. So lots of good stuff coming out of Napa. If you can find bottles, reasonably priced, they rarely disappoint. So thanks for joining. See you next time.